Hello, I am Saurabh Hussain, and in this video I will show you how you can actually upload products in your WordPress website. Okay, so that is the website you can see. Okay, so you can see there is our demo product, that is the quick view option. Okay, and that is compare and wish list. And if you click on there is a hover picture. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how you can actually properly upload products in your WordPress website. Okay, so number one, go to your website, and in the website domain, after the domain name, just write slash admin. Okay, your domain name, then slash admin. So after write, okay, so you need to so you need the ID, login ID and password to enter this website as admin. Okay. Then that is the dashboard. Okay. That is the dashboard. And for the upload product, just look at there. In the left corner, you can see there is a option that's products. Okay. Just go there, products, and just click add new products. Okay. Here you can see all products, even product brands, product categories. If you want to add any more categories, just write your categories, and flag will be the same as the categories name, and parent categories. If you want to create a totally a new categories, then just click it none. But if you want to create a subcategories, then select there which is the main category. Okay, that is, and after that just add new category, and that's okay. Or if you want to create a subcategory, then just click on subcategories. Okay, so that is not our case right now. I just click on the add new product. Okay, because we will learn how we can upload product properly. Okay, so this page will open. Okay, look, here you can see we have some images, 4 images of a product. Okay, we can have 2 or 3 images, doesn't fact. So at first you need to compress this website, these images. Okay, because without compressing, if we upload emails in our website will become slow day by day. So we need to compress the images. So after ready this image, we can do like image compress. Okay, so if I click on the image compress, there is a many kind of website you can find there. So go there and upload your image on there. Okay, upload your image on there, and it will automatically compress your website as low as possible. Okay, so already my images are compressed. Okay, so I will just show you how you can actually upload. Okay, so that is our product. So at first I will write a product name like, okay, so you can see I just enter a name, product name, just for the demonstration purpose, stevia sweet leaf powder. Okay, the product description, I will suggest you don't add anything right now. If you don't have more description, then you can add. Otherwise, if you have a short description for the product, you can use this field, product short description. Okay, not the long description. So right now I will use a short description from other product name like that. If you have a very long description, then you can use this field. Otherwise, if you have short description, then just use this field, just more than enough. Okay, and that's it. And then that is the option. Okay, so what you can say, you can say here are regular price, like regular price is 20 euro, and sale price is like 18. Okay, that's great. Okay, and then in the inventory you can add the SKU number and other things if you want. If this is stock out of stock, then you can use choose this, otherwise in stock. That's a great things. And then the product weight, length, if it's needed you can update it, otherwise leave it as it is. Then you can link other products also. Then you can add the attribution. Okay, the product short description, leave this setting as it is, there is no problem. And in the right side you can see the product categories. Okay, you can add new categories from there also. Suppose this product is under just suppose this categories. Okay, this product is under I just repeat as the first category. Okay, first category. And you can also see there a hot products. Okay, hot product, that means if this product is under offer, then you can click on this. So this is under offer. If you click on this, if someone go this website and click this offer section, okay, look, offer section, then he will redirect to this pages. Okay, if you select this category, hot products category, then this product will display one this hot categories. Okay, so that is the condition. And this product categories must be selected, whatever which categories is under. Okay, I just use this for the demonstration purpose. Okay, and then product tag is not that important, but you can add product tag, then brands, you can add new brands from this button, and etc etc. So this doesn't affect. And after that, finally what you need to do, you need to add a product image and product gallery image. So at first set product image. Okay, just click on there, upload files. You can just click and select the files from your local storage or computer, or you can just select all of them and drag and drop. Okay, so our 4 files will be uploaded on there. Okay, now which is the main image. Okay, that is the main image. Okay, that is the our cover photo of this product. So just click on this and set the product image. Okay, that's it. You can see the dimension is 1100 by 1100 pixels. Okay, so let's try to follow this dimension for a better responsive website. Okay, so that is our product image. Only one image is displayed on there, and after that product gallery is needed. Just click on there and you can add. So that's number one. To set this number one, then again click on there and the second number. Okay, then again click on there and third number. Okay, so this three for the product gallery and one for the main product image, and that's it. So let me review again. Just at first in the left side corner, go to the product section and add new product. Okay, after that in this page just add their product name or title. Okay, then if you have a long description, then use this. Otherwise, if you have a short description for this product, just use this one. Okay, add the short description there. Okay, then after that, here in the general section, you need to put the regular price and the sale price. Okay, and if you want, you can add the sale quantity also, but right now I leave it. Okay, then in inventory section there is a SKU number or name, you can add the SKU name here. Okay, or you can leave it as it is. Then wait and other section. If you think this is important for your product, then you can just add it. Okay. So then you need to go to the right side and you need to upload the product image. Okay, at first there is the main cover image of the product, and if you want you can also upload a product gallery if you want. Okay, that's not mandatory. Okay, and then in the category section you need to choose a category so that this product can be found easily. Okay, you can also add new categories from here. And here as I show you, there is a hot product section. You can see this. So if you want this product in under the hot product section to display, okay, then you can add this in the hot product section, otherwise leave it. Okay, and that's it. And doesn't do anything. You don't need to do anything or more. Just check this and just publish it. Okay, when you publish this product will be displayed on your website. Here you can see preview changes. Okay, just go there and click on the preview changes. Let's see how our products is now show. Okay, so that is our title, our price, a short description, and categories also show there, compare option, and that is our main product. Okay, main product image, and that is our gallery image. Okay, and creating a product will be automatic suggested. There is no problem at all, and that's it. And as we add this stevia sweet leaf in the offer section, just click on there and let's see is it added or not. Obviously it will be added. Okay, look, here is our product, stevia sweet leaf powder. So okay, so that's it, the condition in our section. Okay, here you can got the information that how you can properly upload products in your WordPress website. Okay, still if you have any kind of problem, then just let me know that. Drop a message, I will try to guide you again and again. So thank you so much.